Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the exact SSID and password, and which band the network uses, because the Ps5 can be picky with hidden or band-specific SSIDs. Once done, move the console closer to the router to rule out signal blockage, and power cycle modem, router, and Ps5 to clear transient issues. Make sure the router firmware is current. Outdated firmware can hide networks or prevent proper handshakes. These quick checks eliminate the simplest causes and get you ready for direct configuration. You now dive into the Ps5 network settings and try a manual connection because automatic scans may miss hidden SSIDs or crowded channels. Manually enter the SSID and select WPA2AES for compatibility and security. Avoid mixed or WEP modes that phones tolerate but consoles often reject. If you still see no network, reserve an IP on the router or set a static IP on the Ps5 to avoid lease conflicts. Also check router channel. Finish by running the Ps5 internet connection test to confirm DNS, NAT type, and speed. This tells you whether the console reaches the internet and where it fails. If the Ps5 still can't find your home network, enable a phone hotspot briefly to determine if the console's Wi-Fi radio works. If it connects, the router is the culprit. Make sure to try factory resetting network settings on the Ps5 as a last software fix. If none of that works, record errors and contact your ISP or Sony support with those details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.